Hello, everyone. My name is Sally, and I'm here today to talk about something that will fundamentally reshape how every single one of us in this audience does our job. Artificial intelligence isn't coming to project management, it's already here. And the question is no longer if, but how we adapt.
Let me start with some uncomfortable truths. According to the 2020 Standish Group report, only 42% of software projects using agile approaches are considered successful. For traditional waterfall projects, just 13%. A McKinsey study found that 98% of mega projects experience cost overruns exceeding 30%, with the average overrun hitting an astonishing 80%. If we graded our profession on the traditional academic scale where 90% or above earns an A, we'd be failing. Using Six Sigma quality metrics, our discipline wouldn't even achieve a basic 2 Sigma rating. And here's what should concern us most. Project success rates have not shown a statistically significant upward trend over the past decade. We've been using essentially the same tools and techniques developed in the previous century. While disciplines like marketing and finance have evolved dramatically with technology, project management has remained largely static. The question isn't whether change is needed, it's whether we're ready to embrace it.
Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Is this the part where you tell me AI is going to take my job? Let's look at what the research actually says. Harvard Business Review puts it best. AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI. Gartner predicts that by 2030, 80% of the work of today's project management discipline will be eliminated as AI takes on traditional PM functions. But here's the interesting part. PMI simultaneously projects that 2.3 million people will be needed each year to fill project management-oriented positions by 2030. These aren't contradictory findings. They point to the same conclusion. AI will automate tasks, not eliminate jobs. Just as ATMs didn't eliminate bank tellers, they actually increased their numbers by making it cheaper to open branches. AI will transform what we do, not whether we're needed. The takeaway? AI is partly a threat, partly an opportunity, and definitely a disruptor. History tells us that great disruptions, the printing press, electricity, the internet, have almost always created outsized growth and prosperity. A PwC study estimates AI will contribute $15.7 trillion to the world economy by 2030. The opportunity is immense for those who embrace it. Let me focus on one critical area where AI is already making a dramatic impact: cost estimation. Why do our traditional methods fail? 3 principal factors. First, our techniques are idealized and heavily approximated. They don't adequately capture the realities of complex projects. Earned value analysis, for example, can't capture differing trends in subcomponents of work, sometimes producing misleading forecasts. Second, all widely used project management tools suffer from what statisticians call omitted variable bias. We don't account for variables that significantly impact outcomes: employee motivation, organizational culture, politics, communication quality, decision-making effectiveness. Studies show these factors dramatically affect productivity, but none of our parametric estimation techniques consider them. Third, we failed to distinguish between industrial work and knowledge work. Knowledge work estimates are inherently more elusive and prone to bias. The result? We're essentially making educated guesses, then spending entire projects trying to manage the consequences of those guesses.
AI-driven cost estimation represents a paradigm shift from reactive to predictive. Unlike traditional software that relies on fixed formulas, AI models learn from every project. They analyze vast data sets, historical project data, commodity prices, labor rates, market conditions, and produce increasingly accurate estimates in seconds, not weeks. Here's a real example. An engineering company that previously took 3 to 4 weeks to bid on a mega project can now slash that process to 2 days. Senior estimators can focus on strategy instead of data entry. But speed isn't the only advantage. A software consultancy deployed an ML model that revealed a hidden pattern. Projects using a specific third-party API had a 40% higher likelihood of requiring extra work. The model automatically built that risk cushion into estimates. Immediately, bid precision increased and margins were secured. And here's what's revolutionary. Modern AI systems don't just give you a number. They explain why. An AI dashboard can alert you to a 15% cost increase and break down exactly what's driving it. An 8% spike in steel prices, projected overtime, a shipping delay. This transparency lets managers take concrete, targeted action.
If you want real insights on artificial intelligence and project management, not hype, real work, subscribe to the channel now, hit the bell, and don't miss what's coming next.
Let me share a practical example from Joseph DeMello's research at the University of Maryland. He developed a technique called result analysis, where each letter represents a factor influencing project success. Resolve, environment, signature, you, learning, and team. Each factor has subcomponents. Resolve measures organizational commitment to project management. Signature captures project complexity and novelty. You addresses individual team member attitudes and training. When DeMello applied neural networks to result analysis data spanning over a decade from hundreds of organizations, something remarkable happened. The neural networks predicted project outcomes with accuracy rates between 80% and over 90%, significantly outperforming any prevailing project management technique. Why? Because the result vector serves as a proxy for variables, including intangible and soft factors that current estimation tools simply cannot incorporate. The AI compensates for omitted variable bias by capturing the true pulse of projects. This is preliminary evidence, but it's cogent. AI can tilt project management from an art toward a science capable of delivering strategic insights. AI platforms create a single source of truth. Every team sees the same dashboard. A design change or vendor preference instantly shows its impact on total project cost. Finance transforms from scorekeeper to strategic partner. The time savings are dramatic. What used to take days can now happen in hours. What took hours can happen in minutes. This isn't theoretical. Organizations are already achieving these results. And here's the competitive advantage. In competitive bids, the winning proposal often isn't the lowest price. It's the one that appears most realistic and credible. When you can demonstrate data-driven, AI-validated estimates with full transparency on assumptions, you build client confidence that closes business. More accurate bids mean fewer projects that go over budget. Fewer overruns mean protected margins. This isn't just efficiency, it's profitability. AI's impact on cost estimation spans every industry. In construction and engineering, AI models analyze 3D BIM drawings to automatically calculate materials, labor, and logistics risks. This is transforming how we approach complex builds. In manufacturing, AI calculates the full cost of new product lines, from R&D and retooling through raw materials and supply chain logistics. In IT and software development, where estimation has always been notoriously difficult, AI models trained on historical projects more precisely predict hours and costs for complex builds.
In financial services, AI predicts the cost and risk of large compliance projects or technology integrations. The common thread? AI excels wherever there's historical data and multiple variables, and that describes virtually every project management context. So, what does this mean for your career? AI will replace many routine tasks in project initiation and closing, and some planning tasks. Other AI techniques will handle monitoring tasks that humans currently perform manually. Execution tasks that can be automated will be. But here's the crucial point: AI enhances human expertise, it doesn't replace it. The human in the loop remains essential. We provide context, we exercise judgment, we confirm AI recommendations, we manage black swan events not captured in historical data. We offer strategic oversight. The role of project manager may evolve into something like work scientist, blending skills from data science, project management, operations, strategy, and multiple business disciplines. Universities will need to adapt curricula. Standards organizations will need to incorporate AI-related knowledge and techniques. And each of us will need to expand our comfort zones to include new skills. The project managers who thrive will be those who leverage AI to devise strategic solutions to broader organizational challenges, not those who compete with AI at data processing.
If you're wondering how to begin this journey, here's a practical roadmap. Phase 1, data assessment. Audit what you know, where it lives, and its quality. This defines what's achievable. Phase 2, model development. Build and train custom ML models and integrate them with existing systems. Consider partnering with specialists if you lack in-house data science expertise. Phase 3, visualization and adoption. Create intuitive dashboards and train teams to trust and use new tools. A powerful model that's difficult to use has no practical value. Phase 4, continuous improvement. Build feedback loops. Feed new project data back into models. They get smarter over time. Start with a pilot. Choose one specific project type to test concepts and build momentum. Demonstrate ROI. Then, scale. Your leadership will want to see clear returns. Here's how to quantify them. Budget overrun reduction. Moving from a 15% average overrun to 3% goes straight to your bottom line. Higher bid-to-win ratio. More accurate, competitive bids submitted faster. Capital efficiency. Accurate estimates eliminate the need to tie up millions in just-in-case reserves. Workforce productivity. Same headcount generating more proposals and managing more projects. The evidence is mounting that AI-driven estimation delivers measurable, significant returns. The question is no longer whether AI can help, it's whether you can afford to wait. Let me give you a glimpse of what's coming. Soon, a project manager will type, "Estimate the cost of a 40-story office building in Chicago," and generative AI will produce a detailed preliminary budget within minutes. But beyond predictive analytics lies prescriptive analytics. AI will evolve from answering, "What will this cost?" to, "How should we build this for less than $50 million?" specifying optimal designs, materials, and suppliers. This is smart estimation. Project cost forecasting becomes not just a planning step, but the strategic heart of project design itself. We're moving from reactive budgeting, responding to overruns after they occur, to proactive, predictive financial control. So here's my challenge to each of you. First, acknowledge the problem. Our profession's track record demands innovation. Clinging to last century's tools won't improve this century's outcomes. Second, embrace the opportunity.
AI represents the external force that can finally elevate project management from tactical execution to strategic leadership. Third, start learning. Invest in understanding data science fundamentals. Experiment with AI tools. Build your AI literacy. Fourth, pilot and prove. Identify one area, estimation, risk assessment, monitoring, where AI could add immediate value. Run a pilot. Measure results. Build the case for broader adoption. Finally, lead the change. The project managers who help their organizations navigate this transformation will be invaluable. Those who resist it may find themselves competing with AI instead of leveraging it.
I'll leave you with this thought. For decades, project management has been the art of backing into the future, responding to problems after they occur. AI gives us the ability to see them coming and prevent them. This is more than a technological shift. It's an opportunity to finally deliver on the promise of our profession, to reliably, predictably deliver projects that create value. The tools are here. The evidence is compelling. The question is whether we'll seize this moment. Thank you.